These are the elevators at the Marriott Hotel at the Tampa Airport in Tampa, Florida. We got this one. Let's go down to lower parking, LP. These are Montgomery Kone. Here's your certificate. Here's your cab view. Your COVID protocols. So is that the Montgomery logo? Let's go to the view. Let's go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Guess we can only go to the lobby. At least on this one, that is. This one we can actually use. Alright. Alright, well here is a hotel room floor. We're gonna go back down now. We got this one over here. Let's go to lower parking. Let's go up. None of these floors work. I think it's only the middle elevator you can get to floors 2 through 6 on. That CK doesn't work on any of them. 2,500 pound capacity. Here's your cab view. There's your certificate. And your directory. We're gonna end the video here. So with that being said, that'll be it.